Namaste all of you. Today I am making Schezwan sauce. For that I am using 50 grams of red dry chilli, 15 to 16 garlic cloves, then ginger, you can take 2 inches of ginger, then here 3 spoons of vinegar, 2 spoons of tomato sauce, 2 spoons of soya sauce, and for frying I am using 5 to 6 big spoons of oil. Then salt as per taste you can use. Now first thing I am going to do is this chili I am going to soak in hot water for half an hour. After half an hour it will look like this. Now I am going to put this soaked chili in the grinding jar. Now I am going to grind it. So after grinding it will look like this. You can add water if it needed, then you can add water also while grinding. So now we'll do the next process. Meanwhile I heat the pan. Now I'm putting the oil. Now let the let the oil heat properly. Let the oil heat properly. Now I am putting the garlic. Then ginger. Just fry it for 1 minute on medium flame. So now I am putting the chili paste. In low flame I am going to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. So after 4-5 minutes I am going to add the soya sauce, tomato sauce and vinegar and finally the salt. And now mix it well. I am mixing it well and I am going to cover and cook this for 10 minutes in low flame. Just put the flame low and cook it for 10 minutes. Now I am covering it and cooking for 10 minutes. So now friends, the Schezwan sauce is ready. So friends, my Schezwan sauce is ready. I'm going to keep, after it cools down, I'm going to keep it in a airtight jar. So I hope you all will like this video. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. See you soon with my next video. Thank you.